Hello everybody. So I thought I'd do this live instead of a recording as promised. I'm currently at the HMO. It's been turned into a buy-to-let family home on a low budget. So literally I'm right on a high street. But this house right behind me is in an area called Fenton. I'll try and give you a walk around now to show you. Basically I came last week and did one video. I promised a lot of people that I do a live to show you what's been going on. So I'll walk you around now. It's currently 5 days into the refurbishment. So you'll see as you walk in, it's all been stripped out, the carpets have been taken away, the walls are starting to get the first coat of painting now. This front room was a bedroom in the HMO. It can be classed as a bedroom in a family home because there's no rules and restrictions on bedrooms on first floor or ground floor. So as you can see, the strip outs here waiting for the skips to come. I'll walk you around now. We've got the painter here, as you can see. The first coat, she's a bit camera shy. But yeah, you can see all the walls are getting painted like a whitewash. First coat, that was a dark or even a deep red on the walls. It's going to take a number of coats now. I think it's had 3 coats already. If you remember, that floor was a tile floor. Now all been ripped out. The kitchen has all been taken out. You'll see all the rubbish in the back garden awaiting the skip. So this is the old kitchen area. It's still going to be a kitchen. It's got a fairly recent boiler in the past 18 months, so that'll stay. All the doors have been taken out. The bathroom has been ripped out. It had a tongue and groove wooden walls and ceiling. I don't know if anyone remembers the old-fashioned way they used to do them. Literally tongue and groove, water floor ceiling, including a roof. It must have been a bit of the fashion back in the day. Side toilet. This is where the bath's going to go, where the old one did. It's getting tiled around the bath and a couple of tiles over the sink. So that's the bathroom you're walking through. That's the back door. Even though it's going to be a single let, we're going to put a thumb turn on there for safety. One of the problems we did have with this house was, and you'll find with old houses, this fella here, this stop tap, we had a major problem. Basically, when that's open up fully, they tend to seize up, but they are fine. But as soon as you try and close them off or do any works with the building, basically once you try and close them off, they start to leak, and that one did. So what we've done, we've gone and put a temporary isolating valve. You'll see we rigged something up here for temporary. Tried to go out in the street. What we couldn't do is find the main stop tap for this house, as it's lead and shared, and that's quite popular in Stoke. You might find that in your area as well. So I'll take you upstairs. But in the meantime, what we've had to do, we've had to ring Stoke-on-Trent, get them come out to do a location of the stop tap. We found that it was 4 doors up. So you can imagine trying to find a stop tap that's not yours. It's shared amongst many. So what we've done, we turned that off, put that temporary isolator in that allowed us to turn it back on very quickly. So this is the upstairs, 2-bed terraced house if you like. Walk up the stairs, turn left, takes you into this room. This said it's first coat of paint on the walls. You can't follow me around. The camera's had a bit of a jig, but you'll see that wall was like a dark blue, a turquoise colour off the top of my head. Obviously all the skirting boards, doors are getting an undercoat and getting re-glossed so it's nice and new, ready for a new family to move in. So this will be a 2 or 3 bed family home. It just depends whether the family will want to use downstairs front lounge area as a bedroom or not. But that's their choice. Like I said, there's no rules or regulations around this. We'll put a fire, basically we'll put a little piece of wire here to here. It's literally to stop the kid jumping out. It's just a safety mechanism. Last thing we want is fatalities. So yes, this is upstairs left bedroom. I'll take you into the right hand side bedroom. You can see there's been some works on this in the past on the floors. They're onto original, that's like a ply floor. But yes, same again, it's had all the white coat of paint in here. It's a very simple video really, just to show you around what we're doing. We don't just do HMOs, we do refurbishments as well, changing things from HMOs to single lets if the landlord hasn't got the large budget to do a full renovation. So yes, that's just a standard 2-bed terrace really. Thought I'd give you a quick look around, bit of an update. It's more about myself getting out there, showing you what we do. I was set a task by a few people to do a few videos, so this is one of mine. And what I'll do, I'm going to drive over to a commercial conversion after this. So if you're interested in how we do commercials, that's currently first weekend, strip out, site set up, health and safety, CDM. That's all getting in place. Been this week. We've been cleaning up the site. There's been a few needles about. So if you're interested in what we're doing on the commercial side of things, I will be back shortly. So thank you for tuning in. Any questions or comments, please comment below. Let me have a quick look now. Thank you everyone for tuning in. Hi Roger. Hi Jean, Alex. How's it going, Raj? Good, deep, yeah. So any questions, comment below. I'm more than happy to help where I can. Thank you. See you later. Bye.